Hello, welcome to Life with Miss D. I'm headed into the Dollar Tree right quick and see what they have in their garden section. I want to get some things, some seeds primarily. Let's see what they have. Alright, looks like they got a lot of Valentine's stuff, but here's the seeds. Okay. Just kind of see what I want to get this year. I definitely need some tomato seeds. I want Roma tomatoes if I can find them. Let's see. They got peppers, squash. Let's see. I might try to do squash again. My squash didn't do too good that other time. Is this all they got? They got some zinnias and flowers, sunflowers. But I want vegetables. I do need a pair of gloves. Get a new pair of gloves. I'm looking for tomato seeds. What do we have? I see some bell peppers or sweet peppers. Do I see any tomatoes? Let's see. See basil, chives, beans, cantaloupe, cabbage. My cabbage didn't do good. I had a lot of worms. Don't see any tomato seeds. I guess I could do a cabbage. I've never grown carrots. I guess I could do carrots. Their seeds are 4 for $1. I'm trying to find tomatoes. Oh, there's some tomatoes. And this looks like the Roma. No, it's container variety. Is that the same as Roma? Oh yeah, Roma. Okay, so I definitely want to do Roma tomatoes. Let's see what else they have. Parsley, oregano, lavender, basil, sage, thyme, radishes. They got English peas, squash. And let's see if I want to do any of these flowers. I have marigold seeds at home already. I may get some alyssums because they did pretty good. Those alyssums that I had last year. They did better in the fall though than the... Let's see, the alyssums did better in the fall. See, they got cucumbers and eggplant, radishes and watermelon. I'm not so sure if I want to do watermelon again. There's cucumber, cantaloupe. I guess I could do a cucumber and a cantaloupe. I guess I could do. Let's see, they have some cherry tomatoes. I always like to do them. And the beef steaks, I did them last year. There's the sugar baby watermelon that I did last year. Oh, let's see. Trying to think of anything else I want to do. I think I might want to do some lettuce. spinach and lettuce. Spinach and lettuce. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I want. Okay, looks like they have some garden flags with the flag poles. They have the trellises. So I'll grab a trellis. I should have got a basket. Let's see what else I might pick up. What else do they have over here? They have pots. These are nice because they roll. If you have a big plant, they roll. So these are really nice. I've never used these before.
Because, baby, you know how heavy your dream. Now you want to get started. Well, you know, I already ordered.
So I'm just looking. They have their soil, but I prefer to use a better grade soil. Let's see. It doesn't hurt to get some shears, pruning shears.
It was like an arch, so I put over your door.
Some little flower pot hugger artwork. I always spend too much when I come in here, even though it's $1. So.
It's getting dark.
I'm trying to see what I want to get. Again, they got a lot of Valentine's stuff, and so if you need some stuff for Valentine's Day. But I'm here basically primarily for garden supplies. Let's see. I didn't see any bell pepper seeds. Maybe I missed it. Let me just double check and make sure. I see kale, beans, tomatoes, cucumbers, radishes, thyme, sage, lavender, squash, oregano. Let me make sure I didn't miss something. See, I did end up getting a few flowers. I think I got the alyssum, and then I got the snapdragon. Where's that snapdragon? Well, I got the forget-me-not, and I think I got the snapdragon. Yeah, here's the snapdragon. But they get really tall. Now that morning glory, I've never grown morning glory before. They have to have a trellis because that's like a vine. Seed toxic to animals and humans if ingested. Morning glory. I don't ever grow poppies because I've tried and they've never worked for me, so I'm not gonna worry about trying to grow poppies here in the South, in Arkansas, Zone 8B. Okay, I got a basket. I needed a basket, of course. Somebody help me, I don't want to spend too much in here.